Welcome to GSL GMC 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're looking at the brand new GMC Acadia AT4. This beautiful SUV is powered by the 3.6 liter V6, mated to the new 9-speed automatic transmission. Moving on into the interior here, we do have the black leather interior with the Kalahari leather seats, steering wheel, cruise control, forward collision warning, speak to talk, and dash control buttons. This is a brand new car, only 8 kilometers on the odometer here. Moving to the center, we do have the 8-inch touchscreen for your audio, climate controls, and your navigation. Push button start, all your physical buttons. Now this is new. That is your park, reverse, neutral, drive, and gear select buttons. Click of a button. Quite simple. I quite like it myself. Moving down to the center here, we do have the auto stop and start. You can turn that on and off. Traction control and parking assist. Both front and driver and passenger seats are heated now. You do have lane departure assist, as well as this vehicle is capable of being 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive or tow ready. Now if it's not an all-wheel drive, it is a front wheel drive SUV, so keep that in mind. But when you're on the highway in the middle of the summer, no need for your 4x4. Save a little bit of gas. Black leather interior. Look at these beautiful seats. That AT4 stitch into the headrest with the black leather inserts here looks amazing. On the exterior of this Acadia, we do have the 20-inch wheel and tire package. Looks really good with the machine finish on those. Because this is an AT4, it does have the black trimming on the underbody here around the fender wells and the bottoms of the door. Do have the AT4 badging on the door there, as well as the dual chrome exhaust tips coming out the rear of the vehicle. LED headlights in the front, LED taillights in the rear, hands-free tailgate as well, and the black roof rails on the top there. Very sleek looking SUV. Moving on into the interior here, this is a 7-passenger SUV. Captain's chairs in the second row. The third row does have a 60-40 split bench, but I do have them fold down just to show you how much room is actually in the back of one of these Acadias if you fold down both those two seats there, and see how they fold nice and flat. Everything will be safe in the back of your Acadia. These beautiful seats here as well. You do have dual sunroofs, AC vents here as well, and the own climate control for the rear of the vehicle because it is a 7-passenger. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk around video on the brand new 2020 GMC Acadia AT4. We hope you come down and take one for a test drive down at GSL GMC 1720 Boat Trail Southwest.